Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Swaiti Deshmukh.
My name is Pantanjali Podkar
We are from Sanjiva High School CBSE.
and our today's topic is bioplastic. As we know that bioplastics are made from the renewable substances and biodegradable also. They are biodegradable in both aquatic and land conditions, and in this language we can say that they are eco-friendly to the nature.
Now we will see the objectives of making bioplastic. First, to reduce the consumption of fossil fuels. As we know that bioplastic reduce the uses of non-renewable substances as they are made up of renewable substances. Second, they do not contain any types of harmful additives. Like most of the plastic contain harmful additives like bisphenol type A. And third point is that they provide a quick boost to the economy of the country as they can be used in multiple commercial sectors like medicines, fashion, toys and packaging.
To succeed this project, we have used some materials like glycerin, corn flour, vinegar and distilled water. First, let's see what is the work of corn flour. Corn flour is a renewable substances and biodegradable also. Next, we have used vinegar. Vinegar contains acetic acid which breaks down the complex molecules of starch. Next, we have used glycerin. Glycerin acts as a plasticizer and gives flexibility to the bioplastic, and distilled water acts as a solvent which can soluble in both conditions.
Now we will see how to make or the procedure of making bioplastic. First we have to take corn flour and distilled water in a container in the ratio of 1:4. For example, if you are taking 1 cup of corn flour, so we have to take 4 cups of water. Then take 3 ml of vinegar, 2 ml of glycerin and mix it well. Then heat up it in a burner or heater. After that, until the thickness and the consistency is thick of the mixture. Then take a aluminum foil, spread some oil on it and spread the mixture evenly on the surface of the aluminum foil. Then dry it for at least 12 hours. Then 12 hours in proper sunlight. Then take out the bioplastic from the aluminum foil and your bioplastic is ready. And if you have to make the back of bioplastic, stitch the edges of the bioplastic to the another edge of the bioplastics.
It can reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. It did not cause any harm to any living organism, and if it is dumped or thrown in any water bodies, so it do not cause any harm to any water bodies. And last, and it reduces the consumption and burning of plastics.
Now we see the cost comparison between the synthetic plastic and the bioplastic. Usually the bioplastic are quite expensive. As we know that bioplastics are 20 to 70% more expensive than the synthetic plastic. But the bags that we have made are almost same price of the synthetic plastic bags available in the market. To prove this, first we have to add all the price of all the material that we have taken to make one bioplastic bag. First we have taken 5 grams of corn flour which at the cost of 1.25 rupees and vinegar 1 ml at the cost of 0.09 rupees and glycerin 0.66 ml at the cost of 0.56 rupees and distilled water which equals to the total of 2 rupees, and the commercial or the synthetic plastic bags also cost 2 rupees, which means that the bioplastic bag and the synthetic plastic bag are having the same price.
We can also increase the strength of the bioplastic. We can use organic waste as a raw material and solve the waste management problem. We can also use cellulose-based polymers in making of bioplastic because they are abundant in nature.
In conclusion, we conclude that plastic pollute our earth, on which we are living, and harm to the animals and the marine life that we are seeing. And maybe the next generation which will come in the future may not see the animals that we have seen. And plastic also pollute the earth in many quantity as they are dumped in million tons in worldwide, and they also pollute land and water conditions. And last we conclude that bioplastic are one of the best alternative of the synthetic plastic as they do not pollute the earth or harm to the water and land life. Thank you.